Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am April Sunny. And on this channel, we love all things beauty, but we all know if your hair is not done, your outfit is not complete. So today is a little hair inspo. I'm sharing with you 2 ponytails to beat the heat this summer.
There's issues at hand and we're not discussing. Done saying, we just friends now. Got me feeling pinned down.
It's giving all of the vibes. I'm telling you, these 2 simple ponytails will definitely have you out the door quickly and still look put together. So if that is something you'd like to see, then definitely consider subscribing to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Share if you care, and let's get started. I'd like to thank Klaiyi for sponsoring today's video. Now we always have some really great goodies, so let's open this box. All right, so of course we have our 2 ponytails. You have a wig cap, a headband, and then of course another little goodie bag. Inside that goodie bag, you have the Velcro headband, a pink bonnet, some lashes, as well as a makeup brush. The first one is the kinky straight ponytail. It is Brazilian hair. As you can see, it does come with 1 comb at the top, and that is to secure your ponytail, as well as a straightened piece so you can cover the base of the ponytail. I am gonna put a little bit of heat to this. I do like that it's super textured. It's really, really soft, and I'm not getting any shedding. This doesn't have a processed smell, which, thank goodness. All right. And this one is also Brazilian hair. This is a curlier texture. Okay, so moving on to prepping my hair. Instead of the traditional straight line down the center of your head, I do want to do zigzag parting. After that, I'm going to use some Kenya More Growth Serum. This is just to add shine and help smooth my hair. Once my hair is pretty smooth and kind of how I want it, I'm going to use a little bit of Kim Kimball's Edge Taming Pomade just on my edges and in my nape area. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and smooth the front of my hair down to my liking. Place my hair in a low ponytail with a small silk scrunchie, and then once I have my bun formed, I'm going to use an ouchless band to secure my bun. I have this really soft, stretchy, like satin type of headscarf, so I'm going to put that on and make sure my hair it's like down as much as possible. I'm not going underneath my bun because I don't want to, have any more breakage at my nape. So I'm tying it right over the bun, and then I'm taking some water and putting that on my sideburns. I have really long sideburns, so I'm going to work with them, not against them. And then after that, I'm going to go over the water with some Jamaican black castor oil and then wrap my hair with a gray rod so I can get the curly curls on the side. I'm gonna leave this to set for about 15 to 20 minutes, but in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and fluff out this first ponytail. I don't want to completely make it frizzy or anything, but I do want to make it a bit fuller. As I'm going through it, I am noticing I am getting shedding with this ponytail, but I kind of expected that because it is a kinkier texture, and for some reason they just shed a bit more. Okay, we are back for the install, girl. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my scarf. And I like how flat my hair is laying, but it doesn't look like I used like, you know, a hard gel to flatten my hair to my head. I really don't like that look. I like a more soft lay. And I have my little curlies on the side. I'm gonna take the comb and put that right at the top of my bun, and then wrap the hair around the base of the ponytail for a more seamless, sleeker look. I am using a bobby pin to pin off the section I just wrapped around the base of the ponytail. I'm going to do it underneath so it's not shown, and just like that. I love this quick little pony. I was a little nervous because it did come out of the packaging quite thin, but it more than made up for that. Like, y'all see it, right? Yes, I love it. I love it. This hair is super, super soft, bouncy, and I like that it is a kinkier curl, but it's very much lightweight and it doesn't have a chemical smell to it. Of course, I took it out of the box and popped it on my head. So, on to the next ponytail. So I'm just gonna pin my ponytail down to my wig form so I can curl this girl out. I'm gonna use a little bit of bio silk. Of course, parting off the hair to work in sections to get the best results. I am going to use my iron on 430 degrees. So I just want to show you guys exactly how I'm curling it. So I put the curling iron at the base, I flip it over to where the hair is at the bottom of the curling iron, and I pull it through with a little bend in the curling iron. I really hope this makes sense. And I move slow, that way I only need to do one pass. When I'm curling my real hair, this is typically how I'm curling it. Okay, so the goal here is to have a deep side part, but within that deep side part have a cornrow, a really skinny cornrow. So here I'm just sectioning off where I want the part to be. Once that part line is established, I can then go into the bulkier section of the swoop and carve out a slender section for the cornrow, not too small where it would break my hair, but small enough where it can hold a braid. Once this braided section is complete, I can then go ahead and smooth out the rest of my hair and place it the way I would like. For this particular style, because I used the taming pomade in the first hairstyle, I'm not going to reuse it. I don't want a whole bunch of product build up in my hair, so I'm just going to go ahead and swoop the sides of my hair and put it back into a low bun. Okay, so after I was done curling it, I put this clip in it just to hold the curl together until I was ready to use it. So that's why it looks that way. But I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take that comb, slide it in the top of my bun, right above my bun, and then use the extended portion of the ponytail, wrap it around the base, and then use the bobby pin previously used in the other ponytail, pin it underneath the same way, fluff the hair, adjust it to my liking, and voila. These ponytails are gonna come in so clutch this summer. It's giving all of the vibes. Like literally, you can take these ponytails and go absolutely anywhere you're trying to go. Date night, shopping, rooftop party, all white party. Like this is a anytime, anywhere type of ponytail, giving life, honey. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have an interest in these two ponytails, I will have all of the information in the description down below. And if you already have this hair, comment down below how much you love it, because I know you do. Okay, until the next time, be loved. Bother me,